All right, folks, we're gonna take you on a little walking tour here. And basically, if you're at the hotel, just walk out and go left. And then start walking down the hill, and you're gonna come over here to the park. So this is where we're headed. Take a look at these streets. You don't see much trash at all. I mean, there's one little piece of plastic over there, and you gotta look for it. Look how clean Baguio is. Okay, so this is Shannon Street at Benjamin R. Salavosa Drive. And we're gonna come over here to the walkway. One thing that you kind of notice about this town too, this is Rizal Park, that's what that is that there are properly marked pedestrian crossways and people actually use them. And this is Burnham Park. Look around there. I'm not sure what all we have here, but I was when I was browsing, I did see this as one of the tourist locations. So let's take a look around. Nice. I'm gonna walk all the way down to the bottom. Okay, folks, peace and quiet down here at this park. So it looks like over here is just a row of little stalls. This may be all it is to it, but I could have sworn when I was up on the hill down there that I saw boats. So we're gonna go down here and see what the boats are all about. I have been drinking a little bit, but I could have sworn I saw boats. Little stalls down through here. So you got shopping. Cool, it's a little night market right here. All right, chicharrones look pretty good. Okay, so I wasn't crazy. I did see water. I did see some boats. All right, so this is Burnham Park, Baguio City. This is Bo Boy's boat rental. Let me give you the prices right here, folks, while I'm here. Get 100 pesos for the boat for 30 minutes, and you can put 5 people in there. Or 150 for 30 minutes, 6 to 8 people. And if you need an additional rower, you got to put 50 pesos. So, you know, 100 pesos for a rowboat, and they're gonna row you out across here. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Beautiful little lake. So let's keep. We're gonna walk all the way around this lake. You know, like in here we got a little some spots with henna tattoos. You come here and get a henna tattoo. Those boats over there look like swans. Got a henna tattoo. All right. Henna, sir. No, thank you, my friend. What a peaceful little walk. I'm not sure what we got on the other end, but it seems like we got a lot of other people. Now look, just for reference, right there is the Holiday Inn. And it's probably going to be $100 a night if you had to ask me. It's a fortune teller. This gentleman right here can tell your fortune. A little magical, eclectic little place here. This gentleman's doing henna tattoos as well. And thank you, my friend. So that's just a lake. A look around in the lake here. Look at these. This tree right here is some type of willow. Got little red things on it. I don't nice. So it looks like on the far end of the park, the old cat. On the far end of the park, we got some more food stalls over here. But unless I see different, it looks like the little night market was back there on the other end. That's the main hub of activity when it comes to shopping. All right, so you got no trinkets over here. This lady's selling some snacks. Oh, and we've actually got some more stuff here. These are like little tricycle rides here. Looks like they're pedal operating. So you got a little track over here. All right. Okay, so here we go. It's the prices. You got a chopper for $75 for 30 minutes and a go-kart is $50 for 30 minutes. But when you say go-kart, don't be misled. There is no engines on these particular go-karts. It's pedal powered, good little exercise, fun for the kids, and a reasonable price, you know? All right. More snacks down here. Snacks down this way. No, thank you, my friend. Okay. Yeah, so again, thanks for joining me on my little walking tour here. If you're looking for action-packed, professionally produced video, the walking tour of Burnham Park is not what you need to be watching. It's not where you need to be. However, if you're looking for a walking tour of Burnham Park, this is exactly the video you need to be watching. Thank you. So you can get massage over here. This gentleman looks like he got some nice home fresh ice cream. So we'll take a walk to the end here. Got hats, stuff for the kids. Again, folks, we're 5,000 feet up, somewhere around there, roughly 5,000 feet up in the mountains. So it's cool up here. This place is cool. At night, it gets cold. Right over here, we got some mangoes. So my old lady wants to get some mangoes, so we got to come over here and get these mangoes. All right, this whole area right here, no vehicular traffic. Go over here and see how much the mangoes are, folks. Get the fresh mango. We got fresh buko juice over there, coconut juice. All right, so let's see. We got to get some mangoes here. Hello. How much the mango?
This one. You want the ripe one?
You want ripe or you want the green? How much the green?
25 cents.
50. How much? 20?
25.
25? Okay, give us one.
What do you want? Salt?
The
Chili or plain?
plain. Okay, folks, and when you get into mangoes, I like to get the green mangoes, and I like to get that salt over there, whatever it is with the chili. But my old lady doesn't. She just likes to get the sugar. But I like the chili. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. So we got the mango for 25 pesos. That's 50 cents US. And folks, over here to the left, this is some type of amusement park right here. And I don't know if we got to pay to get in this place or what. But we'll take a walk down through here. No thank you, my friend. All right, so we'll take a walk down through here. But this is like a small amusement park. I see one big swing over there going. It looks like they have a bunch of rides, but it's an off night. I bet this place is cranked up during the weekends. Alright, so you can rent these bicycles over here. No, thank you, my friend. Look at these bicycles, folks. These are nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a 7-seater bicycle right there. I'm gonna get out of the way before I get run over. They even got the big bikes you can rent. You guys rocking on with that one. Ooh. Look at that jobber. Let me take a picture of that. That's a nice bicycle. And these over here are a little bit more, that's like the Dora Explorer over there, I guess. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It was close. All right, it's got the big wheels on it. Baby, help her out. Give her a push there. Help me help you. Ready? There we go. All right. Okay, so lesson learned. If you're walking down through here, kids are driving these things, so be careful. And this is what I'm talking about over there. They got some actual rides here. Okay, folks. All right, so this right here, this ride right there is a little scary. There's no doubt in that one. All right, so back over here on the sidewalk. Nice and peace and quiet. Check out these old trees. All right, folks, so we pretty much went all the way around this thing, but I see one more thing I got to show you. And who's really gonna love this footage be my mom, because she loves these flowers like this. Look at these flowers over here. We got to go check out these sunflowers. And how to get in there. Piece of barbed wire over here. Oh, there we go. Check out them big sunflowers. And when I was walking to the SM today, they were selling all kind of fresh flowers in this one little area. And they had tons of these huge sunflowers, just beautiful. So come over here and check these guys out. Look at these sunflowers. Take a nice picture of these guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Right. All right, it's the far side back here where we started at the little night market. All kind of food, shopping. Pretty cool little area. All right, folks, hey, thanks for joining me. A little walking tour of Burnham Park. And especially thanks for being a subscriber. I don't know if you can see this guy. There's like a lone pigeon up there in a 3-story house. This joker is in large and in charge because he's the only dude home. I mean, if you're a pigeon, you're doing pretty well to have a big house that big. It looks like he's going upstairs. So apparently the guy's got some stairs inside. Pretty cool. All right, folks, this is a decent price. Two shirts for $150. And they're actually decent quality. They got Baguio written on. And we're right across here where we're at. It's right across from the Pigeon's house. So this lady right here has got some pretty decent shirts. We're gonna pick up a couple. Stimulate the local economy here. Hey, just for reference too, if you're leaving Burnham Park, right over there by Chowking, like that's the way we came down the hill. But right over there by Chowking is a 7-Eleven. So you gotta stop off and get some drinks for tonight, some brewskis. All right, as far as souvenirs, this lady had 2 t-shirts for $150. That's a fair price, $3. $3 for 2 t-shirts. They're actually pretty nice designs too. Most touristy t-shirts, they look like crap. These actually had pretty cool designs, so whoever's doing the design on those things looks pretty nice. All right, folks, I'm out of here. I'm off to 7-Eleven and then back to the hotel. Thanks for joining me.